Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Caribbean Mornings. What's on the breakfast table? In this episode, I'm cooking up bold island flavor with a true Caribbean classic. Rich, savory beef livers simmered in herbs and spices, paired with a crispy fried festival. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's going to go a long way in helping me continue on with this channel. So guys, get ready. Come on, let's go. First, the ingredients. So here I have my beef livers, which I already went ahead and cleaned out. Some all-purpose seasoning, some of my homemade jerk seasoning, some smoked paprika, some jerk seasoning paste, some whole allspice and a bay leaf, onion, thyme, parsley, my green onion or string onions or chive, however you want to call it, and of course my garlic. For my fried festival, I have here 2 cups of flour, half a cup of cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And that's it for the ingredients, guys. Very simple ingredients. As you guys know, I bring you inexpensive, simple ingredients for these delicious recipes. I'm going to go ahead and work on my festival. Flour, cornmeal, sugar, salt, and I have my water here. And this festival recipe is very simple. Just going to go ahead and mix all my ingredients together. Make sure it's nice and incorporated. Now I'm going to add my water. And I'm using a little warm water, guys. Let's cover with some cling wrap, guys. I'm going to set this aside and allow it to rest. Now, I am going to season my beef livers. All-purpose seasoning, paprika, jerk seasoning, homemade green seasoning, garlic, green onions, parsley, some onion. Now I just incorporate all of this into my beef livers, guys. And that's it for our seasonings. We are going to go ahead and move to the stove top to cook our beef livers. To my pot, I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil, about a tablespoon. And to my oil, I'm going to go ahead and add my bay leaf and my whole allspice. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add some red curry paste. I'm going to add my beef livers. To my beef livers, I'm going to go ahead and add some Caribbean gravy browning, and I'm using the Barron's gravy browning, if you guys are interested to know. And this is what it looks like. I'm just going to mix this in. And beef livers cook really quickly, guys. So you want to make sure all your seasonings are in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and place my thyme in here, and I'm leaving it on the stem for this recipe. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some peppers to the top. And in the same pot that I had my beef livers, I added some water. It's not a lot of water. It's about, maybe I would want to say 2 tablespoons of water. This recipe does not call for too much water for this beef livers. So I'm just going to put this water on here. Top on, and this will cook in about 5-7 minutes. So I'm going to stay close. So I'm going to check my beef livers, see how it's coming along. That's it. This is beautiful. Now I'm just going to go ahead and taste for salt. Make sure I have enough salt in here. Perfect. This will need about 2 or 3 more minutes before it's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and check on my festival dough. See, guys, looks beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and roll them out before I fry them. I've rolled out my festivals. Now we are going to move to the stove top so we can get them fried. So we already have our oil in there, and you need to put enough oil in there, guys. I'm just waiting for this to heat up enough. Test my oil. And the festivals are very easy to make. It's just like making bakes. But what I love about the festivals is that you do not have to wait for it to rise. Once you knead it and you let it rest, you can just roll it out and fry it straight away. Because the festival needs to be on the denser side. It doesn't need to be as fluffy as a bake. So once you roll it out, you can fry it straight away, which saves a ton of time because you're not waiting for it to rise and do what it needs to do. This is one of the reasons I love making festivals. And the cornmeal in there just makes it so delicious. It's just different from having a plain bake. And to let these get nice and golden brown. Okay guys, our festivals are all done. Nice and golden brown. Try it with some beef liver. So delicious. I can stand here and eat festivals and beef liver all morning long, guys. That's how good it is. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and keep coming back for more delicious and flavorful recipes right here on this channel. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.